If you've been looking for a way to have flawless looking skin underneath your eyes, that's getting rid of discolorations, dark circles, puffiness, fine lines, and wrinkles, I've been testing out another new under eye product that works extremely well. I'm going to share what it is with you in today's video. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new and not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris Gibson, a skincare expert. I've been doing skincare for 36 years, helping people like you find skincare that will work for them, not empty their wallet, and not do them more harm than good. So if that's the kind of content you've been looking for here on YouTube, I hope you will stick around and subscribe. All right, folks, I'm excited to tell you about an under eye product I've been testing out. It's new. It's Tint Tighten, which is a tinted under eye fixer-upper. It visibly covers and smooths under eye imperfections in just minutes. And the great news is it comes in 3 different shades, so you can find the right shade to match your skin tone, making it blend flawlessly into your skin and or your foundation. Now, this is another great product by Sheer Science. They're the same folks that I have reviewed things like Plexiderm, the under eye tightener upper, in the past here on the channel. And so they reached out to me again to have me test out this kit, which they sent me. And as you can see here, the kit comes with 3 vials of the tinted under eye cream and an applicator, much like a makeup sponge. Very simple to apply. The first thing you need to know, though, is that your skin needs to be clean underneath the eyes, free of oil, dirt, any sort of product, sunscreen, cosmetics. Clean slate, clean face. You'll take this applicator sponge and you will wet it and squeeze out all the excess water so that it is damp. And then you will take this tube of product and it takes a very, very small amount, a little bit less than a pea-sized amount. As you can see, it really is a very small amount. And you're going to put that on the applicator sponge. And I'm just going to dab it under the eye and blend it in. I'm even going to go over my little area of crow's feet, all these little fine lines, see how it blends flawlessly into my skin. The important thing here is to make sure that you don't talk or move your face for about 10 minutes so that the product can set up. So that's what I'm going to do. And in a flash, I'll be back and we'll take a look at the results. All right, it's been almost 11 minutes. Let's take a look and see how nice and smooth the skin under and around my eye looks. Compared to the other eye, there's less of a noticeable amount of darkness. This eye is untreated, so you can really see the difference. And the other great news is that this starter pack is only $19.95 and they have free shipping on it. So I'm going to put a link down below in the video description box so you guys can go check this out, look at the different shades and see if it's the right type of product for you. And if you decide to use this product, please come back and let us all know in the comments below the video how the product worked out for you. And for even more ways on how to roll back the clock on skin aging, be sure and check out this video coming up next. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting the channel. I appreciate you. Stay beautiful. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you over on that next video.